We have been broadcasting radio signals into space for approximately 100 years. Those signals are expanding outward right now at the speed of light. Every transmission, every broadcast, moving through the dark in every direction, forever. If the dark forest is real, we have spent a century announcing ourselves. But the dark forest is not the only explanation. Nature rarely offers only one answer. It offers many, and all of them, in their own way, are disturbing. Consider the possibility that they are watching us. In 1973, MIT radio astronomer John Ball proposed what he called the zoo hypothesis, the idea that Earth may be a protected enclosure, that we are the observed, not the observers, that behind some cosmic one-way glass, something patient and ancient is taking notes, studying us the way we study a species we have not yet decided how to approach. We press our signs against the glass. We point our telescopes upward, and we wait for a knock that does not come. Then there is the possibility that we are simply listening on the wrong frequency. We have been searching for radio signals for decades. The work of programs like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. But radio waves are slow. They degrade over distance. They are detectable. A civilization millions of years beyond us may have abandoned radio the way we abandoned smoke signals. They may be communicating through means so far beyond our instruments that our telescopes cannot even register the concept. We are pressing our ear to a wall, listening for voices, when the conversation has long since moved to a medium we cannot name. There is another possibility, one proposed by theorist John Smart. He called it the Transcension Hypothesis. His argument: advanced civilizations do not expand outward into space. They expand inward, into smaller and smaller scales, into nanotechnology, into quantum computation, eventually into black holes, which are, by current physics, the most energy-dense, computation-rich environments in the known universe. The universe appears empty, not because it is empty, but because every civilization that reached a sufficient level of advancement chose to disappear, miniaturize, retreat into a substrate so dense, so efficient, so far below the threshold of our perception that they have become completely invisible to something as primitive as a radio telescope. They did not go to the stars. They went inside the mathematics. And then there is the one that sits heaviest of all, the great filter. The theory, first articulated by economist Robin Hanson in 1998, that somewhere on the journey from simple chemistry to galaxy-spanning civilization, there is a wall, a catastrophic barrier that almost nothing survives. A filter, invisible, inevitable, final. Perhaps it is nuclear war, climate collapse, self-replicating technology that cannot be recalled, artificial intelligence that outgrows its creators before the creators notice. Perhaps it is something we have not yet imagined. The optimistic interpretation, the filter, is behind us. We have already passed it. The emergence of life, or of complex cells, or of intelligence itself, any of these could be the miracle. The universe may be mostly empty, and we may be among the vanishingly rare who made it through. The pessimistic interpretation, the filter, is ahead. Every civilization reaches a moment, a precipice, not unlike the one we are standing on right now. In that case, the universe is not quiet because everyone is hiding. It is quiet because you are one of the last ones standing. Let us return for a moment to the evidence. In 1977, the Big Ear Radio Observatory in Ohio detected a signal. It was 72 seconds long. It matched precisely the predicted profile of a transmission originating from beyond our solar system. The astronomer who found it, Jerry Eamon, did the only thing that seemed adequate. He circled it on the printout with a red pen and wrote a single word. Wow. It was never detected again. In 2015, astronomers observed a star designated KIC 8462852, nicknamed Tabby's star, dimming in patterns that no known natural phenomenon could fully account for. One hypothesis was a partially constructed megastructure, a Dyson sphere in progress. The more probable explanation is dust and debris, but the fact that alien megastructure made it into the scientific conversation at all tells you something about where we are. And then, in 2017, an object passed through our solar system. It was elongated, cigar-shaped. It moved in a way that comets do not move, accelerating without any obvious source of propulsion. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, the former chair of Harvard's astronomy department, suggested it might be a light sail, debris from another civilization. But most scientists remained skeptical. The universe is not silent because nothing is happening. The universe is silent because either nothing is out there at all, or something is out there, and it has made a decision about us. Neither answer is comfortable. We are a Type 0.73 civilization in a universe 13.8 billion years old. We have been calling out into the dark for 100 years, and the dark has said nothing. Perhaps that is because there is no one to answer. Perhaps we are a miracle, alone, improbable, precious in our rarity. Perhaps the great filter is behind us, and the universe is ours to fill with whatever sound we choose to make. Maybe they are watching, waiting, not yet certain what we are. Maybe the silence is itself a gift, a window of time in which we are left to become something worth acknowledging. Or maybe the silence is a warning. Maybe the most advanced thing any civilization ever learns is the same lesson that every creature in every real forest already knows. Stay still, make no sound, and whatever you do, Do not let them know you are here. So, where is everybody? Maybe the better question is, when will we be worth finding?